one of the many sight places. And yeah, this is Catholic Provincial Park in Ontario. So let's just say I've been working on videos and coming back soon. I might do a podcast eventually, and yeah, episode 19 will be out soon for YouTube peeps. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the guys that some sightseeing, get you guys a good video. So this is for my Facebook and YouTube. So yeah, anyways, catch you more on the flip side, and new videos on my channel coming soon, like the podcast with friends, and well, this and more vlogs. So stay frosty, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Man, it's cold.